Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Spark, where learning English is easy, practical, and fun. Do you always say good morning when you meet someone? That's a great greeting. But English has many other natural and friendly ways to say it. Today, I'll teach you 5 better ways to greet people in the morning.
The first expression is morning. This is a short and casual way to say good morning. Native English speakers use it every day with friends, classmates, coworkers, and neighbors. Example, morning, Ali. How are you today?
The second expression is rise and shine. This is a cheerful way to wake someone up or encourage them to start the day with energy. Example, rise and shine. It's time for school.
The third expression is, hope you're having a great morning. This sounds warm and polite. You can use it when talking to coworkers, teachers, customers, or anyone you want to greet kindly. Example, hi Sarah, hope you're having a great morning.
The fourth expression is wishing you a wonderful morning. This is a thoughtful greeting. It's perfect for messages, emails, or speaking politely. Example, wishing you a wonderful morning and a successful day.
Our last expression is have a great day. Although people often say this when leaving, it's also a friendly way to end a morning conversation with a positive wish. Example, thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.
Now, let's review. Instead of always saying good morning, you can say 1. Morning. 2. Rise and shine. 3. Hope you're having a great morning. 4. Wishing you a wonderful morning. 5. Have a great day. Which one is your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Spark, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our easy English lessons. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.